In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam Initialization Failed. We'll move through a clear set of fixes, starting from the quickest and least disruptive. Follow along, and after each change, try launching Steam or your game to see if the issue is resolved. First, fully close Steam and run it as an administrator. Make sure Steam isn't just minimized to the system tray. Right-click the Steam icon near your clock and choose Exit, so it's completely closed. Then find the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Approve the prompt if it appears. Running with elevated permissions can resolve file access and update conflicts that prevent Steam from initializing correctly. If that doesn't do it, restart your PC. A fresh reboot clears temporary bugs, frees up stuck services, and resets network adapters, all of which can interfere with Steam starting properly. If Steam still won't cooperate, force close any lingering Steam processes. Press Ctrl+Shift+C to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for Steam or Steam Client Web Helper. Select each Steam-related entry and click End Task. This shuts down hidden background components so Steam can start clean the next time you open it. Next, check your firewall and antivirus. Steam needs network access to initialize. In Windows Security, open Firewall and Network Protection and review allowed apps to make sure Steam and Steam Web Helper are allowed on your active networks. If you use third-party antivirus, add Steam to its allow list or exceptions. Blocking or inspecting Steam's connections can stall initialization. If the error appears when launching a specific game, verify that game's files. In your Steam library, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Local Files and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and replace missing or corrupted files. This may take a few minutes, but it's safe and often resolves launch failures tied to a single title. While you are in the game's settings, remove any custom launch options. Right-click the game again, go to Properties. Open the General tab and clear anything in Launch Options. Experimental flags or old commands can break initialization. Finally, refresh Steam's cache by deleting the app cache folder. Fully exit Steam, then go to your Steam installation directory. Typically C drive, Program Files x86 Steam. Locate the folder named App Cache and delete it. Don't worry, Steam will rebuild it on the next launch. This clears outdated metadata that can cause startup hiccups. Try launching Steam again. One of these steps should get you back in the game. Thanks for watching.